is hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
Good morning, Vietnam! Somebody's busy. And Tommy is going back to the house today. I don't know what time, maybe later. Bring the dog. And then Wednesday, Tommy and I is going back with the dog because we can't bring the cats and the dog at the same time because the cat freak out, the dog freak out, and we have 4 kids freaking out. And Tommy can't handle it. And anyway, I cut my finger, guys. When I'm cutting the bread, I keep cutting, and I can feel tingling in my freaking hand. After that, I said, "Oops, I cut my finger," and look, I cut it.
That's how often you do it.
Yeah, I cut my finger a lot with the knife. Every time I have knife in my hand, I expect that I cut my finger. Tommy said we need to get plastic knife.
Always burn yourself in the stove.
What hot thing?
You always burn yourself in the stove.
I always burn myself. Especially in the oven, hon.
Right.
No, because the oven, if it's hot, I try to get something, and then sometimes I forgot that it's hot, and then I just touch it with my finger without, like, you know, like,
Nothing wrong with that.
I don't know, hon. I did that over here when I was cooking.
You do it everywhere.
They're not there. Where's my baby? Hon, are you up there? I can't find him. Where are you? He's not in the bathroom. Let's go check on him. Where's Dada? Oh, Dada's not here. I don't see Dada. What the heck? I can't find him. Guess maybe in the basement. Hobbs, oh my god, Hobbs has been like running around and sliding everywhere. I think he liked the fact that he's sliding. I can't find your Dada. Let's find him. He's not in the basement. Where the heck is he? Is he hiding from me? Is Dada hiding from us? You know what? I'm not gonna find him. Hi guys, after Christmas expenses and gifts and expenses, bills, the next is the heartache, the headache, the bills. It's just never end. Tommy and I watching this weird show ever. Yeah, it's a weird show, and I'm uploading the video already, 24th December, and yes, so it's gonna be late. And yeah, I just started it late, like 10 o'clock. And guys, we're having lunch still left over, and what I'm eating right now is rice because I want to eat rice. And I have some pork, string bean casserole from my sister-in-law, and Tommy is getting some lasagna downstairs. We made 4 lasagna, freeze it, and we're gonna have salad too, guys.
I imagine there's all there is for 4 lasagnas.
No, I put in the freezer.
Oh.
Are you kidding me, honey? No one touched the lasagna.
Really?
It's very little, so Andrea is right. We better made 2 only. Guys, every time we have party, we get together, people know that Tommy always make like we have only 14 people, but Tommy expect that always like extra like 30 people cooking. That's why every time we finish our dinner, everybody would say, "Ton of people." Oh shit! Oh, I have to clean this now. The pork, guys, blow up. When you're cooking pork and there's fat in it, so it turned out like a disaster. Oh, I smell lamb.
Okay.
So now I have to give it to you. I don't eat lamb. I have to give it to Tommy, guys. We have to eat. Tommy just left. I don't really feel doing anything, guys. I mean, there's nothing for now to do anything, but this tablecloth, I keep it for tomorrow to drop to Walmart. And because I want something here, because this table needs something, I will put this anywhere, even though it's really big, but I can do it half. Hold on guys, I'll put you right here. Yeah guys, for now this is what I'm going to put. It's not round, it's for oval size, but it's hanging down there, so I have to put it in the thing. So for now we need to find a nice tablecloth for round table, right Rocks? We're gonna find a round tablecloth. Daddy just left. I feel sad for the cats. They don't like traveling and just keep going back and forth to the other house. It's really not good for them. I mean, I feel sad, but Tommy just called me a while ago just to let me know that, where are you, Rocks? The cats are gone. They left with Dada. She's looking for a cat behind the couch. This dog. Yeah, Tommy called me a while ago just to let me know that the cats are like going crazy while driving. It went under his foot. You know, where's the brake and the gas? Tommy's worried, and you know he is watching what Hobbs going to do next. And Dimples cry and go to his lap. And I said, just drive careful, because you know what? I don't want Hobbs going to the brake and you can't do brake because he's behind the brake. So I told him to stop over and find some place to... He know what he's doing, but you know, he just let me know that we were talking about it. And he said, on the way here, going here, the cat doesn't do anything. They're behaving, but this time they're like acting, you know, walking around and crying, and yeah. So I'm gonna go to shower, guys, because I think I really needed it. I need it. Oh, I showered the other day, so now it's time to take a shower, because I don't want to take a shower the first day of my okay. M&M's. Oh no, Reese's peanut. Yeah, I'm just transferring the clips, the videos that I have edited already, because it's filing on my laptop, so I have to put it in external drive because I save everything. Just get out from the shower. Din time? Don't be sad, Rock. Don't be sad. The cats are not here yet, but don't be sad. You're gonna be there tomorrow anyway with your sister. To finish the whole food, I just let them out. Oh my god. There is the 4 cats. They're outside over in our back porch. And these 2 dogs freak out. Like, oh my god, they wanna eat the cat. Luckily, I don't let them out. I saw the kitten first before I let them out, because oh my god, these 2 are maniacs. They don't even listen. Once I call them, they won't listen. They're just like trying to catch the cat. It's another in the side of the fence. Why are you trying to get them? The little kitten are so cute too, just like you guys. Okay, you're Roxy. I don't see you pee first outside. I saw Misty pee outside. But I know after you have your din, you pee, but you never did because you're so excited to see the kitten. You're so excited to catch them. Do you want to go pee? Okay, let's do pee again 1 time. Okay, and then you come in, huh? Or else I beep you, okay? Okay, listen, huh? Look, she really want to jump to the fence, and that's a problem. What are you doing, Misty? Why are you staring out there? Huh? Hi guys, I'm not using my camera, so I'm using the laptop camera, so it's not that clear. And hold on, somebody asked me about what I use to call the Philippines. Vonage. The name is Vonage right here, Vonage, and it's 3,000 minutes a month, which is a lot. Obviously, you know, if you are really keep calling the Philippines, right, that's a really good minute. But yeah, so Tommy got that online. He applied that online. and I forgot, I think it's 30 plus or 20 plus, almost 30. I think it's 30. I think it's 30 or 29. I'm not sure. You can look at it in the vonage.com. And the thing about this international call, because it's cheap and it's a lot of minutes you can use every month, and also they send you a telephone go with it. Plus, if you are not home and then you're traveling somewhere, you can use your cell phone. You have to upload the app because the Vonage have their own app. I think it's Vonage extension. That's the app name. Somebody asked me what I use, so it happened that I use Vonage, and a very good thing. So yeah, that's all, sis. If you wanna do it, you can do it online easy. And yeah. Hi from Texas. Thank you for watching. Hi guys, it is 7:37 already in the evening, and yeah, I'm just doing laundry also. Anyway guys, I'm gonna end this vlog now. I haven't vlogged long, I think, today. And yeah, Tommy, he's supposedly going back tonight to bring some stuff, but he decided not to. He's so tired guys, so he's gonna come here early tomorrow morning, and tomorrow afternoon we're going to back to the house, bring the dog, and the next day after that we're going to pick up the new car. Yeah, fingers crossed, it's still okay. Yeah, it says that we have an appointment Thursday 3 o'clock in the afternoon to pick up the car, so I'm excited for that. I'm excited to drive the new car, which is, even though Tammy is going to drive that new car, I'm going to still drive it anyway, just just for the heck of it. I want to try it. And yeah, so I'm gonna clean up the old car also, because that's what I'm going to use all the time now. And anyway guys, I'm going to end this vlog, and thank you all guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it so very much, and I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you guys. What is your new resolution? My resolution is, I'm trying, but I know I know it's not gonna happen. I'm going to stop harassing Tommy. I always harass him, not like harassing him in bad thing. I mean, sometimes it's too much that I do too much to him. I think that's my New Year's resolution, to stop annoying him. Yeah, so I'm trying. After I bug him or annoying him, I always tell him, you have to remember, I always love you. And it's just like, I'm always honest to him guys. I always told him, just like this afternoon before he left, I kind of like, I love you, Hubs. Bye, Hubs. I'll see you in the house, Hub. Bye, Tommy. And he doesn't like that. He kind of like, he keeps like yapping like, I love you, Hubs. Bye, Hubs. I love you so much. Bye, Tommy. Like, he keep repeating it. That means he's hurt. He's repeating it. And then I said, bye, Han. And then he left. He called me, and then I told him, Han, even though I act like that, even though I'm sorry if I hurt you, bothers you when I act like that. And you have to remember, I love you so much, and just remember that I really 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 love you, and that's not gonna change, even though I'm like acting up. I don't know, especially when I have my menstruation, I get worse. It's crazy. So yeah, that's really it guys. Bye guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye Roxy, say bye. Roxy, say bye. Bye, night night guys.
No one compares, you stay